Hello dear everyone, a spectacular evening to all of you. This is your amazing and stunning host Muskan Jaiswal from the Hub of English Language Speakwell Institute. And Speakwell has been another public reaction series on which education is better, online or offline, and that will be discussed in this public reaction series. You know guys, nowadays students are taking the online classes and they are preparing by any types of exam by online, but many offline institutes say that in online education no any proper guidance, no any dressing codes. So here is the questions that which education system is better, online or offline. So guys, let's go by asking the people. Cutie, may I know what's your name?
This is Sakshi Kumari Srivastava.
Well, Miss Sachi, what's your perspective about online education or offline education? According to you, which education is better? You know, nowadays many students are taking the online classes and they feel like boring and aloneness. They feel anxiety because in online education you are sitting in a room and you are only concentrating in study. If you have any types of problem, then you can face alone, and just because of that you go in depression. So what you think about that?
According to me, offline classes is much better than online classes
Why are you saying like that? Offline classes is much better than online classes?
because when a student take the offline classes, he compare the another boy, he compare the another boy's manner, he compare the another boy discipline. He always follow rules. He always follow routine. He always follow discipline. So you can say that offline classes is much better than online classes.
But don't you think, Miss Sachi, in online education have a lots of distraction, okay? Because in online education you are sitting with your friends and you concentrate in fun, you don't concentrate in study, and teachers are also distracted with their teaching style. But in online education, teachers give their best in studies, and students are also concentrate in only studies. So what do you think about that?
You know, ma'am, when a student take the online classes, if you talk about our discipline, it is not have a discipline. It is not has any manners. It is not have any limited time. Have not any foods in our house. We can make noodles just like online classes same with us.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. But don't you think that in online education, if you attending the online education, then you have to opportunity to know the any types of knowledge. Means in online have available any types of knowledge, but in offline education, teachers are teaching only those things that is conduct in our syllabus. But in online education, if you want to know anything, so you can search in Google's as well as YouTube, and you can know everything. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, ma'am. We can say that when a student take the online classes, he has not any unlimited. He has not a limited time.
Yes.
Because we have in classes. When a student take the online classes, he has not any. He has any another environment, just like if you talk about offline classes, when a student take the offline classes, he always follow the discipline. He always follow the manners. If you talk about online classes, when everything is not studied by online classes, just like practical swimming.
Yes.
So we can say that offline classes is much better than online classes.
Thank you, Miss, for talking me, and I really enjoyed to talk to you. Name?
Abbas Ali Ahmad.
Well, Mr. Abbas, what's your insight on online education or offline education? You know, nowadays means many students are taking the offline classes and they can preparing any types of exam by offline. Yeah. And in offline education have opportunity to do the practice and practicals, whatever you studies. But in online education have no such types of facilities that you do the practical, whatever you studies. So what do you think about that?
If you ask me, then I would say that, ma'am, offline education is better than online education.
Why do you feel like that offline education is much better than online education?
If you join any offline classes, then you maintain discipline and you follow routine and you become success in your life. But on the other hand, if I talk about the online classes, you already know in online classes there is no any discipline, there is no daily time routine, and so many more things are not like that offline. So I can say that offline education is better than online education.
But you know, Mister, in online education, you means for the online education you pay a less money, and you can preparing any types of exam. What do you think about the poor peoples? They are survive their life very hardly. They have no much more money to pay the offline institute fee, because you know that the offline institute fee is very high. If you see the ratio of online education or offline education fee, then offline education fee price is very high compared than online. And you know, if I talk about the poor people's student who exact wants to study, thanks to offline they can continue their studies with less money. So what do you think about that?
You already know, miss, the persons who the persons who join offline classes and they have not more money, so you already know a lot of institute are conduct their scholarship examination. Everybody who the very poor, they can also attend the exam and clear the examination and get scholarship. But you already know, say that in online education there is a very less and affordable fee. But miss, you already know anybody not to get success through the online. Everybody gets success in offline, because if any persons who went to offline classes and they join their offline classes, and teachers and student interaction is good in offline classes. It was not like that online classes. So I can say that offline classes is better than online classes.
Okay, Mr. But don't you think that in online education so you have to opportunity to study constantly? And you know, if you see in offline institute, then if suppose that if I talk about those students who exact wants to study, if they are doing they are preparing any types of exam by offline classes, and in offline institute you are sitting by your friends with your friends, okay, and student are distracted just because of their friends, means student are doing the fun to each other and they disturb you, and just because of that you are also become a duffer boy. So what do you think about that? But in online education such types of problems is don't help. You are sitting alone, you are only concentrating in the studies.
You already know, miss, the persons who join the online classes, they are so less distraction. But you already know, if you fail any examination, you face a lot of problem during your preparation, and you fail your examination, then a lot of friends, your teachers and your relative are get emotional support. If I talk about the emotional support, then it was only possible in the offline classes, it was not possible in online classes. So I can say that offline classes is better than online classes.
Yes, Mr. Thank you for giving a lovely opinion. So guys, as you see, Mr. Hanson said that the offline education is much better than online education, because in offline education you can preparing any types of exam easily, and you can interact with the teacher face to face. If you have any doubt, then you can ask with teacher within a second. But in online educations, teachers are serving the phone. May I know what's your name?
Myself, Tanu Rai from Speakwell.
Well, Miss Tanu, what's your recon on online education or offline education? According to you, which education is better, online or offline?
From my point of view, online education much better than offline education.
Why are you saying like that offline education is much better than online education?
You know, ma'am, COVID-19 pandemic time on online classes take the all student. That's why I can say that online education much better than offline education.
But you know, Miss, in offline education you have to opportunity to do the practicals, and you can interact with a teacher face to face, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask your doubt within a second. But in online education, many students say that in online education, so if you have any types of doubt, you can type in doubt not. After that, after 2 minutes, 3 minutes, in real case teacher see your doubts and they can give the answer or not. It depend on the teacher. teachers. So what do you think about that?
E- at that time
Yes,
at
yes,
that time online classes and all college are the governments free free give the phone a smartphone and tab and online take the class attend and a student study for dreams on take the online classes. That's why I can say that online education much better than offline.
Yes, Ms. Tanu, thank you for giving a lovely opinion. Sir, may I know what's your name?
My name is Chandrakeshwar Maurya.
Well, Mr. Maurya, what's your feel on online education or offline education? You know, nowadays many students are taking the online classes, and you know our study ratios say that if you see the any exams whose student is cracking the exam, those students are preparing by offline. Means 70% student who preparing by offline, they are easy crack any exam. But in online, but many students say that in online education you can preparing any types of exam with constantly and in minimum cost. So what do you think about that?
According to me, online is much better than offline education.
Why are you saying like that online education is much better than offline?
You know already, if you do any job then you want to learn again, then the possible is offline education. Is not possible to you go any college and take any offline education. Do I like that online education is much better than, because you reach to any world and any corner and you want to join to online classes, then you have any phone and anyone system, then you also join to online class and take your education. Because if you join offline classes, then you go to school and college and expend a lot of time and expend a lot of money, and you went to any college and you then you feel like that very harassment, and those people comment yourself and so I like that offline classes is much better than online.
But you know, Mister, don't you think that if you are preparing any exam by online and if you interact with the people, then your personality is developed day by day and your communication skill is developed day by day. Because in offline education, if you are preparing any types of exam by offline, then you have to opportunity to go come out of our homes. You can interact with the people, you can know the peoples, and you can communicate with people, and your communication skill is developed day by day. But in online education, you are sitting alone and you are only studies. I agree with that. In online education, you can concentrate your studies without instruction, but it is not enough that students are only doing the study. It is very important the student to doing the extra curriculum also in activity. They are participating activity, sport. It is beneficial for the student, but such types of thing is not available in online. So what do you think about that?
If you talk to offline classes, then I saw boys also to molesting everybody, and he passed to comment everybody. Then if you join to online class, then you sit alone and you careful watch their education videos, and if you talk to how development to your personality, then I asked to you. You saw already many kind of share linked to YouTube and every online platform. Then you learn to easily how can you develop your personality and how can you make your career.
Yes. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opinion. So guys, as you see, Mr. Maurya ji said that the online education is much better than offline, because in online education you can save your time as well as your energy also, and in offline education you have people are molest to each other and distract in studies, but in online education you are concentrate in studies, you can focus in studies and you can watch your lecture without any distraction.